Holi is quickly approaching, and guess who's throwing a Holi party at her house? Well, I am. I adore Holi delicacies, and you can always add a splash of color to the festivities with food. And today we are going to make Malpuas with Thandai rabri. Grind everything to a powder with Prestige Oindrila mixer, which not only looks great but also comes with 6 jars which have a long-lasting stainless steel finish body. Wow, that was so easy! In a kadai, bring the milk and khoya to boil to make rabri. The thing I absolutely love about Prestige kadai is that it has 6 layers of extra durable stone finish non-stick coating. It also has a hard anodized forged body that will not deform over time. Mix all the ingredients for the Malpua batter together and then allow it to rest for 1 hour. And then whisk it really well. Prestige is my most trusted brand. And the induction cooktop includes Indian menu options, allowing you to enjoy authentic cuisine at the touch of a button. Now we are ready to fry our malpuas in oil or ghee. Once you fry it, remove it and soak it in sugar syrup. Smells amazing! I was able to eat more colourful food thanks to Prestige. With Prestige, you can now add colour to your food.